Now we have our menu area completed at the moment. We're now going to decrease the height of the area. We're going to click on Edit Area Design. And we're going to go to Height. And we're going to decrease the area. Now we've decreased the area, we're going to save changes. Now the area is decreased and we have our content area in the blue, which we're going to concentrate on. We're going to add a home page slider to this area. Click on Add. Click on Content Box and scroll down to find Home Page Slider. Then click Add Content Box. As you can see, the banner has been inputted into the area already, as this was already assigned to our home page slider. So let's go and add another one. Edit Slider, Browse, and double click on the banner. Then click Add Slide and close the window. Now we'll be able to see our banners changing. I'm going to take one of the banners off so that we can concentrate on a still image. As you can see, there is a white gap between our menu area and our banner, so we need to get rid of this. So we're going to go to Edit, and we're going to move our window down so we can see the adjustments. And we're going to go to Height, and I'm going to change the height. And save height. And there you can see it has moved to below our menu area. We can now close this window. We are now going to add categories to our content area. Click on Add. Click on Content Box. Scroll down and find Categories. Then add Content Box. And as you can see, we have now added categories to our content box. Now, I have deliberately taken out the background of these images, which has made them transparent, which is fantastic for designing. And I'm going to show you how we can achieve a nice looking site without backgrounds on our images. We will not be using all our categories on our home page, so I'm going to take two of them off. First of all, we're going to go into Edit. And inside Edit, we have a few choices we can make. We can show category name, or we can take that off. We're going to be showing category name. We can hide the images if we want to, and just show the text, but we'll leave that on. Let's scroll down and let's manually add categories. First of all, we need to set this using the scroll down bar to manual. Now you can see my categories have disappeared. So we're going to move the window to the top so we can see the categories that we're going to add. And the first category is already there and it's called drivers. So click on add category. We're then going to our next one and we're going to add fairway woods. Click on add category. Then go hybrid golf clubs, add category, and keep doing this until you have the amount of categories you want to make a good design of your home page. And we're going to just add one more, and then we're going to click Save Changes. So as you can see, I've added my categories, and now I'm going to go to Area Design. Click on Area Design, just moving the categories over so they are centralized. And then we're going to save changes. We're now going to centralize our heading text. Going to Area Design. Click on Heading, and we're going to turn the width on. And then we're going to move it back to Centralize. Scroll down and use inside space left. And as you can see, it has moved the width. So we're going to go back to the top and adjust the width. And that's not looking too bad. Maybe just a little over. And then we're going to go back and use the width again just to bring it in. Then we're going to go to text, and we're going to make our text bold. Adjust the font size and just change the colour slightly. Then we're going to save changes. And as you can see, the bar is not quite right, so we need to go back in to Area Design and adjust this setting. And we're going to go to Heading, and we're going to scroll down. So we'll adjust it so it matches either side. And then save changes. We can now go back into Edit Design and change heading background. And we're going to change this to a greeny style colour. And obviously we will need to change our text. And we're using both colour palettes just to get a nice design. And we can leave that there and go into text and just make the text white. And we can just save changes for now. So as you see, we're making a nice design, and we're going to change the box colours now. Click on Edit Box Design. Go to Background. Click on Background Colour. And as you can see, our background has changed. And we can do quite a few things. We can upload images if we want to our background. And we're going to just give that a light green style colour. As I used images which are transparent, the boxes can be changed to any colour you like. So using transparent images on your home page for your categories really does give you a nice design effect. We'll save changes.